Learn how to prevent snoring at night. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. Most people snore during their deepest sleep while lying on their back. Usually, it is not a problem unless the snoring disturbs their sleeping partner, in which case, they will probably be awakened and be asked to roll on their side. This action is probably the first and oldest cure for snoring. To prevent snoring, alter your sleep position. Most of the snoring occurs when people lay on their backs, your head is forced down due to gravity, and this may lead to your throat closing up a little. Sleeping on the side is easier, less straining on the neck, and it reduces snoring. If you suffer from snoring, it is important that you not sleep on your back. This position narrows the airways in your throat, thus, reducing airflow. This lack of air can be a cause of snoring. It is recommended that you sleep on either your right or left side instead. Quit smoking, or drastically cut back to stop snoring. Smoking causes all sorts of damage to your respiratory system and other parts of your body. If you are a heavy smoker, smoking might actually be the cause of your snoring problem. Quit smoking to stop the snoring and live a healthier lifestyle. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.